Hey, this is Angel from G3 Agency. Angel, we had spoke at the end of November and you agreed to receive our free obligation website review. And in this review, I wanted to show you 3 things that you can do to bring in more revenue for your business and increase more traffic to your website to be able to get more clients and drop money to your straight bottom line. At G3 Agency, we specialize in helping small business owners like yourself grow their business and be the #1 provider in that service of their local area. So let's get started. So here are the 3 things. Number 1 is increasing relevant content on each website for about 3,000 words or more. Remember, content is king, and the more authoritative content you have on your website increases your Google ranking and then gets you noticed more. So number 2 is post to your social media, grow your social media presence. Social media today, more than ever, people rely on social media for information and almost everything in their lives. And number 3, last but not least, increasing relevant keywords and adding backlinks to your website page in order to show up in your search results for potential clients searching for your keywords. Now, if you do end up hearing my kids in the background, I apologize. I'm working from home. But yeah, so let's go ahead and dive back into this more. So for the first section, we're going to talk about content, right? So while I love all of the beautiful, graphics and photos you have on the website for this page, I do realize that it is a franchise and this is a location-based page. But we definitely want to be adding some more content. However, I really love that you have these bolded key phrases. That's very awesome, and that helps you guys show up in your search results for garage door spring is broken. These are key phrases, and that's awesome. But adding more content here will definitely help bring in more customers, and then also allow you to use more keywords when you have more content. Okay, so as far as your social media, I found a Facebook page, and the only thing I see, first of all, I love the photos we have on the Facebook page, and I love that it's actually set up. That's great. So one thing we can do to increase income to your business is getting more following, increasing that following and page presence in your community. And a way to do that is posting regular with keywords of your niche to be found in basic search and social media. Because when people type in, new garage door in Facebook, then the search results works just the same as Google does. And it pulls up all the possible things. I don't know if you've ever used the search bar in Facebook, but it pulls up tons of fun stuff. So, and then including more photos of your jobs when you can and get attractive and get interactive with your posts. Sorry, attractive, don't mind me. Post before and after photos, things like that. And then also to be posting regularly, you could just take a photo of your service vehicle. Be like, hey, a picture of your team. We're ready to make someone's day great today. Let's go fix some garage doors, or post a picture of your coffee or something to just get people, liking, following, things like that. That's definitely going to be helpful. Now, last but not least, increasing your relevant keywords and adding backlinks to your webpage. But what I mean by relevant keywords is keywords within your service. So garage door repair, Chicago, Illinois is a key phrase or keyword. So you want to increase those keywords. And then adding backlinks to your website, you could have so a form of a backlink is say there's a blog or something and you have garage door repair, Chicago, Illinois, or hey, best garage door repair in town. And it's hyperlinked, which is highlighted and allows you to click on it. When potential clients click on it, then it directs them back to your website page. That's a backlink. So that means, hey, this person is knowledgeable. They're being referenced in blogs and they're being referenced in these things. And let's definitely, and then having enough of those, building those is definitely going to be helpful. Okay, so when I did look up this phrase, garage door repair, Chicago, Illinois, I did not have you show up on even the first 1 to 3 pages of Google and organic. So we definitely can improve here. Also, we didn't show up in the Google Map app for the keyword garage door repair, Chicago, Illinois. This is where we want you to pop up. Now, if you don't already have one of these set up, which I don't think you do, but if you already do, then we can definitely help increase you in getting those information, like getting into more directories, getting into more information, like yellow pages, things like that, so that like your name, address, and phone number for your business, then you can be pop up here, as well as more content. Content is really what helps the world go round, as far as the internet world anyway. So needing more keywords on the site to show up in relevant searches and to be found with more potential clients looking for that service. So again, keep in mind, these are your stats. We have about 28 keywords, which is great, but it's not bringing in the traffic we're wanting, right? We definitely want more traffic by getting more keywords and more backlinks, getting that score. While this is a 1-to-1 ratio, that's great. We definitely just want to bring that score up so you can bring in more traffic value for organic traffic. So that way you're not spending money on Home Advisor or anything like that. So here I just want to show you a case study really quickly before we end the video. This is a garage door repair case study. It's 4 months, for March to July. So for one of our clients, they were established, just like you were, or just like you are established. They have some stuff going on here. They have some backlinks and things, but they didn't have any keywords. So what we did is we took them from 0 to 574, and just adding those specific things, don't mind my daughter, adding those specific things, we were able to increase their estimated traffic value from 0 to 4,000 per month. Again, this is estimated. They can be getting more sales from word of mouth or people just driving by their location. But you see how we definitely added more of the rapport. They're getting a better score. But yeah, so let's just do a recap here. So we definitely went over increasing more content. We definitely want some more content. I showed you that we have not so much words here. Adding more words would definitely make it a little bit easier. And if it may sound like kind of overwhelming, you can just start with like adding 200 more words each week, and adding 200 more words will help you show up in more search results. Even, posting more will help you show up in more search results, even on Google, because Google recognizes Facebook stuff too, so. And then, increasing those relevant keywords and adding backlinks to your page, being sourced more is definitely going to help you. So I just want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call. Here's my contact information. Otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will reach out to you soon. Thanks, Angel.